This Windermere Real Estate San Juan Island property video is presented by Annette Schaefer. This craftsman-style townhome offers a great floor plan, the living, dining, kitchen, laundry room with door to the attached single-car garage and the primary bedroom and ensuite bath with an additional half bath on the main level. There are 2 large bedrooms with shared bath on the upper level. This is the largest of the condos and has a door off the living room to a private patio and small yard. Conveniently located, this townhome is in walking distance to the ferry landing and all of town amenities. This townhouse would make a great primary residence or second home getaway. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Schaefer at 360-378-7330.